Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the fourth video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about JWT header parameter injections, and this directly involves a JWT attack called authentication bypass via JWT header injection. So we can read a little bit about it and kind of get a sense of what it involves and what we are meant to do. And if you look at it, according to the JWS specification, only the algorithm header parameter is mandatory. In practice, however, JWT headers, also known as JOSE headers, often contain several other parameters. The following ones are particular interest to attackers. JWK, JSON web key, provides an embedded JSON object representing the key. So that's what we're messing with, JWK header injection. So the JSON web signature JWS specification describes an optional JWK header parameter, which servers can use to embed their public key directly within the token itself in JWK format. So we're just injecting a public key then directly into the token itself, and then it's gonna verify and it's gonna give us access. Ideally, servers should only use a limited white list of public keys to verify JWT signatures. However, misconfigured servers sometimes use any key that's embedded with a JWK parameter to verify JWT signatures. So we're gonna inject this public key into the JWK parameter, and then we're gonna verify the signature and therefore making it a valid token. So let's access the lab. Okay, let's go to my account. Let's go to Wiener and then Peter. Let's turn our burp proxy on. And let's catch this request. We can forward this and send this to repeater. Now, if you go to JSON web token, we see the same process as the last three videos. Administrator, we want administrator access. We know he's a valid user, so let's change it to administrator. And what changes this in this video is we're going to create a new key. So we can delete this one. Let's create a new RSA key, JWK format, and then this should be good. Generate. Now we can click OK. So now we generated our new key. Now if we go back to repeater, back to our JSON web token extension, we can go down here and click attack with the embedded JWK, the new key that we just created. Signing key, sending algorithm, sure. So now we see that it's here in the header. The KID is the same for both. So now if we send over this request and we render it, we see that we are administrator. We are able to sign the signature with our own public key, which is super bad. So if we go back to raw and copy our token and paste it about twice, we are given administrative access, which we can use to go to admin panel. Dude, my eyes are just, and also delete the user Carlos, which we were tasked with. Okay, this is how you complete the lab, and this did not take long, as they tell you which extensions are going to be useful. Here they guided you to the JWT editor extension. This is exactly what I used. We created our own public key, injected it into the header, and we were able to authenticate and create a valid signature, therefore making a valid JWT token, which is super unsafe. So So here it says, as ideally, servers should only use a limited whitelist of public keys to verify JWT signatures, instead of just letting any public, public key, given access to verify signatures. So thank you guys for watching, and in the next video we are going to be JKU header injection. Kind of similar, a little bit different. And then we have 2 more labs left. We're going to go over header path traversal. That's going to be super interesting. And then we will move on to a different topic. We will kind of be familiar with JSON Web Token attacks, and be ready for CTFs and stuff, and kind of have an idea. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.